Hi everybody, we're continuing to develop our quiz application. So this follows on from the last video that I put up, and what I want to show you first of all is something to do with the user interface. My form is looking perhaps a bit more advanced than yours. That's actually because I'm making this video from the finished article and putting bits in as necessary, but I've got these tabs here. And something that I have mentioned is the usefulness of creating a clean and clear user interface that doesn't confuse the person taking the quiz or test. And what I'd like to do is I'd like to make these disappear or appear on cue, as it were, so that I can have a cleaner user interface. So I've got an object here, and the object is called tab control, and I know that because it says it there, and it should have the name elsewhere. There it is, there's the name of it, tab control. And so that's how I'm going to refer to it, and I'm going to put some code right at the in public form 1. This is the bit that must start any code that we do, so that C# knows to initialize the Windows form. And I'm going to make some of the tabs disappear, the ones I don't want. So I'm going to refer to the tab control. There it is, it's popping up there in IntelliSense. So I press tab to bring up the full word. I type in tab pages, which is a built-in method of some sort of tab method, and I type remove. All of these are being prompted for in IntelliSense. When you get used to working with C#, if something is being prompted by IntelliSense, that's usually a very good sign that your syntax is correct and that you're going in the right direction. And I want to remove one of the pages from the tab form. So if I go back here, if I analyze this form and find out what these are actually called, and let me just find that. I find it here in tab pages, which is a data type called a collection. I click on there, and there are the different pages that I want. I want to make pages 2 and 3 disappear as I start the app. So back to this code here, I go to remove tab page 2. Again, it's being prompted in IntelliSense, a very good sign. Okay, I need to do another page. I just cut and paste. Cutting and pasting is usually a good idea as long as you don't get sloppy. And of course, one immediate syntax problem that I might run into is not a syntax problem, a logic problem, is that I would forget to change the object being referenced there, but I haven't. So tab page 2 and tab page 3 should disappear. Let's just have a check there. Okay. So I run the app and I check the form as it comes up. So the original quiz has 5 and this has 1, 2, 3, and that means that I made the quiz and results pages disappear before I started. I'll close that. So that's how to manipulate that. To make them appear again, you go to the same thing, you reference the object, which in my case is tab control. You go to tab pages and add. Let me show you an example of that. Again, this is finished code. Don't panic if you're thinking, whoa, I haven't seen this. It's that there. Tab pages, add to make the tab reappear.